So with your Secret Service agent, you can throw it right under your coat. You can look like a casual guy, blend in with the crowd. So we got our guys over there hanging out in their vehicle. We're going to chew straight through those doors, take them out, smash the windows, and that's where this thing really shines. The MP5 just can't do that on some situations. So you can see that rate of fire is absolutely ridiculous, much faster than the MP5, and the recoil is extremely controllable. You've got this smaller round, less recoil, all the penetration downrange. Let's try something else.